Hey guys, my name is Reece and I upload daily videos on business, entrepreneurship and how to make money online. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new way that you can make money from your laptop. Now this is not going to make you rich, I'm going to straight up say that. This is not going to make you rich, but it is going to make you a nice, additional income. As you can see here on the 23rd, 3 days, 3 times on the same day. I made £30 on the same day, and then the day before as well. And you can see here it says 2013. Now the funny thing about this is I actually did do this for the first time in 2013, but for some reason, I don't know why, so when I get started at something, even if it's good, before I used to just stop for some strange reason, even though I really should have continued, because it's an amazing way to make money and I'm doing it now to make some side income. So you can see here 2013 all the way up to here. So this is from here is up to before, so I made money before, but this is of recent days. So from the 22nd I did one, and 23rd I did 3 more. So obviously I've got a pending amount of £40 right now, $40. Now if you're wondering what I do this for, it's really simple. It's something that we do every single day. I'm going to give an example. Basically the way it works is you will come to available tests once you sign up. It's usertesting.com. And once you sign up with them and you click on available tests, it's going to give you a list of tests that you can actually do right now. Now some of these tests I actually won't be able to, for example. So you would have to do, you would click take screener and it go to some little thing where it will just see if you're applicable, like if you're the right market audience for the the people, the client of user testing, the people that want you to test their website or software or app, whatever it is, right? Now as much as you need to apply to some, you have to basically take the screeners for most of the tests. Some of them you're just going to get it anyway. Some of it everybody can get, and on a day-to-day you'll probably get at least one where you can actually do it yourself, but you do need to be fast to it. So I always keep the tab open. It's got a little notification sound that happens, so whenever a new test pops up, the notification will go, and then I could just come onto the website, take the screener, and obviously if I don't get the test, then that's fine, I'll just take the next one. But there will always be tests available for you to do. Like out of these tests here, I haven't even tried some of this stuff. This one I'm not good at forms. I could just come here and decline it, but I'm just going to keep it for now, because there's no reason particularly to delete all of them. But basically you just take the screener, then you actually do whatever it is that they need you to do. I just realised I didn't see this one before. But I'm going to take that afterwards. Okay, so basically the way it works is they'll take you to a fresh website. This is just Google Trends, right? And they'll say to you, okay, we need you to browse the website and see what you like about it, right? So in detail, and you do have to be detailed to get the most out of it. You can see here I'm 4 out of 5 stars. The reason for that is one time, you can even see when I go to completed tests, I'm going to keep this for later there. When I go to completed tests, back before on my rating, so all of these are 5 stars, I guess, and then this one was a 4-star, and that's why I've been let down. But it just basically explains it, and obviously it was a long time ago, but I know now to do it in extreme detail. And in detail as such, basically if I were doing it now, I would come here and I'd be like, say they just wanted you to give the opinion on the website as a first task. There'll be certain tasks and you just have to fill it out, you just have to speak it out loud, and obviously you download something that will record your screen while you're doing it, so you show them what you're looking at and what you're thinking, and then speak out loud to show them exactly what you're thinking about it. So if I had to talk about Google Trends, I'd be like, okay, initial impression, it looks really good. They've got featured highlights here with some of the most important things that are going on right now, which is good because it just makes me, I'm able to make relevant content based on what's going on at the moment. So I might decide, okay, royal wedding, I can look into this more and see news about it, and I might think, okay, this applies to me, because if I'm a e-commerce, if I'm into e-commerce, I might be like, okay, I want to start making products for the incline, of the royal family. It might be a bit late for that, but I don't know. You can use the website for so many things, and you just basically speak in detail. Just say what you love about the site, say what you would recommend, what you don't like, and just answer the question. They will ask you questions. For example, the other day I can't say who, but I was doing it for a really large domain register, so people who you buy your domain names from. And basically I had to just go and fake buy a domain. So it wasn't on their official site, it was on like a prototype site, so I didn't actually have to pay for anything, didn't have to enter any of my personal information. I just used the information that they gave me, and I just basically played around with the site and just, I just acted like I was a regular customer and said to them what I like about it, what I don't like, and they asked me questions, they just basically want to get a feel of what the customer feels like. And if you need to think as well, like the people that are watching this video on this channel, most of you guys are entrepreneurs and into business, so you need to know, like, if you were doing the same test, like if you wanted people to test your stuff, you would want them to be detailed, right? You would want them to give you as much detail as possible, and that's just what you've got to do. Clients can decline your test, like if you do a test and they're not happy, if they're not satisfied with it and you haven't answered their questions, you might not get paid for it. And I've never had that happen to me, but to prevent that from happening, just do it as an extreme detail as possible. It normally takes about 20 minutes to do each one, but this $40 literally took me under an hour. Just like a couple of them are like 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so, and within an hour, obviously accumulated over 2 days, I was able to make $40. And then since then I just haven't done anything, because I had a really busy weekend recently, like on Friday, Saturday, but on the 22nd, I think it was 22nd and 23rd that I did stuff. So I did stuff on Friday, and then over the weekend I haven't done anything. Today, as I said before, I'm gonna hopefully do this one. I'm gonna take the screener after the video, hopefully do it, and if it all goes well, I'll show you guys on my Instagram if it went well. But guys, you can, as it says here, you can be disqualified if you're not accurate. Like the available test I have is about forms, and I don't know anything to do with that, so I'm not even going to attempt it, because if they ask me to do something I don't understand, then they're just going to disqualify me, and it just looks bad on my account. So I don't want to do anything like that. You don't want to lie to people. You want to be straight up and just tell them honest. Like if it's asking you if you're a consultant, like a financial consultant, don't say yes if you're a builder. That's not going to help you. And the same way with me, like I've been declined a lot for saying like I'm a marketer, and I don't know if that's because it's to do with marketing or if it's just not what they're looking for. I'm not too sure, but just use different things. Obviously for me, I'm a marketer, but I'm also a consultant, I'm also into different things, so you can use your different skills that you've got and just kind of apply it, but don't lie. Just be straight, honest truth with them. And by the way, I get paid straight to PayPal. For this, personally, it's my personal income, so it doesn't count to any of my businesses or anything, because it's like it comes straight to my bank, and then I do have to pay taxes on it because it is taxable income, obviously once you reach a certain limit. But you guys need to consult financial consultants and what do they call them, tax people about that. So guys, this, as I said at the beginning of the video, it's not going to make you rich, but it might make you up to £50 extra a week, and that would be good for a lot of people. £200 a month can get you somewhere, especially if you're using that money and making more money from that money. As I always say to you guys, you need more than one stream of income. You need even more than as many as possible. There's no limit. Just keep growing your streams of income. This just an hour a day where you can make up to £50. It sounds great. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it. I'll update you guys on my Instagram about how it goes, and yeah, I'm looking forward to this money hitting my bank. It does take 7 days to come to your PayPal, but PayPal's pretty quick, so it'll come straight that day. So I'll have it. When will I have this? I think I did the first one on Wednesday or something, so Wednesday this week I'm gonna have that £40 come to my PayPal, $40, sorry, and I'm free to do whatever I want with it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you did find value, please like, comment and subscribe. I upload daily videos on business, entrepreneurship and how to make money online. So I'll see you again tomorrow with a new video.